Hello friends, in this part 3 of the video we will see two types of stitches. Before I go into the part 3, I will just show you two types of stitches. Whichever is convenient to you, you can use it. Make a foundation chain of 4 and then make it into a ring and then chain 3. Yarn over and insert the hook into the gap and then pull the yarn and then pull through 2 loops. Then again yarn over, insert the hook into the into the gap and then pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops, make a chain to lock and then again put a chain stitch to continue on to the next stitch. So this is the type of stitch which I have used in the work below. I have used a slight variation in this video, in this work which you are seeing in the video. Let's see how to make it. Yarn over, insert the hook into the gap, pull and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook into the gap, pull and then insert yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then yarn over, insert the hook into the gap and then pull through all the loops. So in the previous stitch we pulled through 2 loops and then we pulled through all the loops, but here we will pull through all the loops in the third stitch itself, and then you will put a chain to lock and then a chain to continue to. You can see here that there is a very slight variation in these 2 stitches, so you can use any of the 2 stitches of your choice. Now we will continue with our work. So we have made 2 rows. The first row consists of 16 daisies and the second row consists of 16 puff stitches. Join the third color yarn to this work. Now to join, you can use any of the gaps of your choice. Make a slip knot and join in any of the space and then make 3 chains. Now this 3 chain acts as the first double crochet. So now after making the 3 chains, yarn over, insert the hook into the gap, pull, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the gap, pull and then pull through all the loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops, make a chain to lock and make a chain to continue. So this is the stitch we are going to follow throughout the pattern. Second stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the next gap and then pull and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same gap and then pull, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the same gap and then pull through all the loops, make a chain and then make another chain and continue the stitch. In this manner, yarn over and continue on to the next stitch. So you are going to repeat this stitch throughout these 16 gaps which you have already made in the second row. I am just speeding up the video now and we will come back to the normal speed in the last few stitches. So we have come to the final part of the row. We have only 2 more stitches now. So once you finish the last stitch, insert the hook into the top stitch and then slip stitch. So here's the slip stitch. Now we have finished this row. Pull the yarn and cut, and we will see how to make this into a square in the next part of the video. Thank you.